Once you know you have boarded the wrong train, the sooner you get out of the wrong train, the sooner you board the right train. I am Shireen, and present I am working as a Chief of Staff at Sandhar Technologies. My professional journey has been all over in different departments till the time I realized where I had to be. I started with American Express as a financial advisor. Then I came into an L&D role at Hero. From Hero, I moved to Tata. From Tata, I joined the Minister of State for Power and his strategy board. How do you bring that positive culture? So you have cultural officers at company, but how do they ensure that the culture is uniform, consistent, or the one that you want, wherein there are no strict hierarchies which spoil the game? You have adequate autonomy, you have a culture of trust, you have a culture of learning. Now, how do you build it is something that I need to work on. The program was a 6-month program. So there has been absorption, but a little change that I've already started observing in myself is I was a little reactive in my mindset. When I would see a political disruption, I would probably see the near impact. Now I try and force myself to see something which is a little more distant or maybe a ripple effect. I have also learned to use some kind of AI tools which can help me assimilate all this data at one place. Numbers make me go a little haywire. It still does. But what I have learned that there are tools which can help me assimilate all that data into one sheet and help me take decisions better. I used to think that finance and the market and the prospect of the product are important criteria before you get into a mode of entry. Now I think, especially after this program, there is something called a cultural adaptation, which is much more important than the numbers that people put complete focus on. And unless there is cultural overlapping, then things don't become successful.